Hi ladies and gentlemen, we have a light fixture. We're going to open it up, unbox it for you, show you what you get inside the box. Get a pair of gloves, bolts, wire, wraps. You get the light. It has a nice hanging bracket and is well protected with foam. Here we have the light. Now this thing is very simple, easy, elegant, and it's very solid. You don't want to drop it. We have the light base, the light that has a cable that you can adjust to a certain height that you want. And we're going to show you how to hang this up and what it looks like. We have an instruction guide, about 8 steps to go over. Very simple indeed. And you need to get a screwdriver so you could loosen this up and take off the cover and get to the insides of the unit for the neutral, load, and ground, and the adjustment cable that's located here. All the extra adjustment cable is going to go inside, and you're going to take this little loop and you're going to bring it up and you're going to lock it down into place so this way nothing will slip out. I showed you that now, so this way later on if I skip the step, you don't have anything to worry about. They say you could twist this to loosen it to get this back out again inside here, and it's a releasing mechanism in case you want to redo this over and over and over again. Now right here, hopefully you can see it, right here. Push in, you can see it going in, right? And when you do that, you push in, then you're able to release this and bring it down to the desired height you want. Your electric is off. You slide over. You place on your cover the best you can. Center it. Lock it down. These screws are loose a little, so this way when you put your cover on, they'll lock into place perfectly. I want to work hands-free, so what I do is I take my ground and I wrap it around twice. I tighten up. This way now I can let this hang down freely. You're going to take black for black, white for white. Unsure, you want to check it out. And you're going to simply just put your lug nuts on. I call them lug nuts, they are wire nuts. Now, if you're unsure of the height, remember what I told you, that you can simply just come here, press this button here, right? And I'll show you again how to lower it. So, if you're not sure that this is the height you want, oh, I made a mistake. So this is what we're going to do to correct it. You can take this safety tab here. This is the second safety feature of the unit that we showed you. I don't want it to fall down any further. I want to have just enough play so when I officially hang this I have a foot of room. So I am going to roll this up. Don't cut it. It's not meant to be cut. And you're going to simply place in the line. You're going to match up this hole on each side. You need to have this flush mount on the wall to get a better angle of view. We have a light hooked up to a remote control that could be turned off and on. And we could put it on a timer, but this is not meant for a dimmer. We are able to dim it down just a little bit, but it is recommended for a regular on and off switch. This is excellent for over the kitchen, living room, anywhere that you want to have something hung, but please remember to hang this up where it's not in your way. You could put multiple ones up at different levels of height, whatever your design is for. I hope this slide is something that you're looking for, and it is adjustable by pushing up. You could push it in as far as you want, and you could just simply lower it down as low as you want, as you can see. It is not meant to swing, so please be careful. It throws a nice, soft, warm Kelvin and does a great job. And it is a very strong bulb indeed. This is a 3000 warm light, 40 watt equivalent, a traditional bulb that's LED, It's higher in energy efficiency, and it can last for 5 years or so. Don't have to replace bulbs. It's 5-foot adjustable hanging cord, and it's 59 inches in height. 10 through 100% dimming range, compatible with household triac LED dimmers for smooth operation. The dimmer is not included. And I am just basically going to 75% dim down. As I go lower with my remote control dimmer, we're going to run into some flickering, as you can start to see. So I hope you enjoy this product with a dimmer, a timer, etc., etc. It is a very durable light, and it's not going to break just on a drop. It's very constructive and strong. For further details about this light, you may check online. It is a nice light, and I hope it's something that you're looking for to decorate your house, warehouse, office, anywhere that you want to put lighting fixtures. I hope you enjoy your product if it's right for you.